Do, y'all.
Good morning, y'all.
Good morning, y'all. So we are about to do Mel's hair and her nails and
my feet.
Oh, and her feet. And then we're gonna run to the mall and get her a little outfit, get our outfits made for her party. And then yeah, so this is gonna be Mel's birthday maintenance vlog. But y'all already know what it is. Before we get into this vlog, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all hit the notification button every time I post, and make sure y'all follow on Instagram and TikTok at JasmineYouLove. So yeah, I took her hair out. I'm still trying to figure out what style I want to do because it's like a 90s thing, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna just do some twists and some beads. I did get the beads. Where did I put them? Oh, her beads are on. Melly, I'm coming right back. I see, girl. Oh, I'm coming right back. So I got her some beads because her outfit is like white, pink, and black. So I got some little I got these beads the other day at the store, and then I got these. I was gonna put these big bowls, no homo, but in her hair because we definitely wear those in the 90s. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking of doing in her hair. Just some little individual twists, because I know I had twists when I was little, and I'm a 90s baby. So we're gonna get this hair started. I need to comb these little, she got like little locks. That's what it look like right now, but I took her twists out. So I'm about to comb this out and then we're gonna wash it. All right, y'all. All right, so y'all, if y'all watched her maintenance vlog before, then you'll see that I use this shampoo buddy. I will link it below, but this thing is it comes in handy, and Mel has the neck rest. But it's just a little silicone neck rest, little rubber thing or whatever. And then right here, you lift these up and it's sticky on the bottom. And then this just kind of reinforces it so it doesn't move. But she lays down right here, of course, kind of like at the salon. And then her hair goes in there and then it runs down the drain. The water runs down the drain. So it's comfy for her. This is her little setup. I put a blanket right here so that she's not laying on this hard surface. And then her feet go up here on her little step stool thingy. So yeah, and then the shampoo that I use is by Moisture Miracle. It's this right here. I use it for me and I use it for her. It works really, really well. And then this is their conditioner right here. So I use that. So I have to comb these out, and then I'm gonna wash her brushes and stuff like that in the sink, and then yeah, wash her hair. Alright guys, so I finished washing her hair. I'm about to do a little style. I'm gonna do a little simple style, I think. I got her some little breakfast. I'm thinking. So I usually put this in there. This detangles it. And then I use some of this on her hair. And then for the actual braids and stuff, I use this. Little twist, whatever. I use that. So we're gonna get it popping. Should I do some colors? I don't know. You need a napkin? I got you. Yeah, I'm done here. It's gonna be like half up, half down, with 2 ponytails at the top. So I did a, let me see, put your hair back. Now back. So I did a little curve. It's like a, I know it's this way. You see the little swirl. All done. Alright y'all, so we are in the car. Y'all know the AC is busting. We're in the car now. We're about to go to the mall to go get her outfit done, and I need to get me a shirt so I can get my shirt done, and I'm gonna get my socks done as well, and then get her little stuff done, and then we're gonna go get all of this stuff for the party, but that's gonna be in another vlog because that will be a very, very, very long vlog. Yes, it's for your party, boo-boo. So I'll see y'all when we get to the mall.
My birthday coming in, y'all.
My birthday coming in, y'all. Period. How old you gonna be? 3. The big 3. Look at you. Alright, y'all. Bye, y'all. Alright, y'all. So we made it to the mall. I'm about to go to Primark real quick and go get me a shirt. And I might get Mel one, but I have a shirt for her. But y'all, look at her. She's cute. Look at mommy. Hey girl, look at me. Hey girl. So we about to go in here real quick. Alright y'all, so we came in Primark. I found me a shirt. Well, I got this shirt, but I'm gonna get this one spray paint. It's just a regular one. And then I got these little swimmer trunks for my godson. They just black. And then these shorts for him to wear around. I just need to find out like a white shirt or something. Y'all, the kiosk is here. So we getting
walking in these sides with you.
He talking about how no little socks is dirty. But yeah, we're gonna get something like this or whatever. But he gonna do it for us. But y'all see his word? He said I think it was like $87 for me and Mel's stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all when we finish. Yeah, that's dope. Like he's vicious with this stuff. But yeah, y'all. So I'm excited. I'm so glad that he was here because y'all, it's like, hey, it took us an hour and 20 minutes to get here. So yeah, look at that. He be doing skates and all of that. Yeah, this is vicious. That's Princess Tiana, Mom. Okay. Alright, y'all. Now let's move in my shirt. Y'all should have attitude for whatever reason. We at Papa's while we waiting on the shirts. We gotta grab something to eat real quick. What your problem is? What's your problem? You want Nani? Oh, you want the receipt? Okay, hold on.
Hey, get me right?
Yeah, she wanted some rice. She wanted white rice, so we got that for her. And she gonna eat a piece of my chicken. And you want a biscuit? No? Okay. Yeah, so we about to eat real quick. And the dude just called. He said that the stuff is almost done. So, Mary, our outfit's about to be cute, girl. For the party. Oh, girl, you better be cute. Don't you eat off the table. You better be cute for your birthday, girl. Alright. We'll see how after we eat. Y'all, look at Mama. Mama hungry. She about to dig in. Yes, come on, let's pray. Alright, bye, y'all. I'm hungry.
I want to see you.
You looking at you? I'll turn the camera this way. Can you see Mommy?
Here you go.
Yeah, Mel been talking to everybody since we walked in the store. We at TJ Maxx. I'm about to get copyrighted. Oh, hey, y'all. But Yeah, y'all, she been talking to everybody since she walked in, so she been making heads turn everywhere. Bye, y'all, I'm gonna get copyrighted. All right, it went off. So, but yeah, y'all, she, everybody, some lady, her birthday coming up or whatever, and she was talking to her. She was talking to this other lady, this other lady, this other lady. I was like, good Lord, no, we can't even get in the store. But she cute. Toots. Everybody was talking about her personality. I'm like, yeah, she got a bomb personality. Everybody, oh, it's the toy section. Let me get away from there. So we're off Broadway. Look at this. Snoop Dogg. This is Snoop Dogg shoe. Look. Snoop Dogg got a shoe with Skechers. I'm crying. What in the world? With $80. Okay. Y'all, we got our shirts. I'm gonna show y'all them when we get back to the house. And I'm gonna show y'all his business card because they're cute. It's so cute. Y'all, so I got Mel's little shorts done. And them y'all say birthday girl. I was like, when he said that he could put that on there, I'm like, Mel's tiny. Mel's little booty is tiny. So for you to put birthday girl on the back, it just was, I was like, he can't do that. He definitely did it. I was like, okay. It's cute though, so I'm gonna show y'all when we get in the house. Y'all know what is so funny? So I was looking for the little crates that the milk used to come in. And everywhere I was looking, everybody said that like they have to be accounted for and stuff like that. So my mom went and bought some from, oh shoot. My mom went and bought, I'm about to get copyrighted. I'll tell y'all when we get this answer. Okay, so y'all, we're finally home. I'm gonna show y'all Mel's, I'm gonna show y'all our little outfits or whatever. But Mel, stop, what are you doing, girl? Go get us back to daddy. So this is what I was gonna tell y'all. So we was literally driving, we was leaving the freaking mall. And y'all, I literally looked on the side of the road and it was 3 of these. So y'all know I skirt and pulled over. Like we got these, so mommy bought me some from Walmart, but like these were free first of all. So they had 3 of them. I was looking for 6, I wanted 6, but we rode around a little bit more, but like, yeah, so I found that one and then these 2 right here. That one, I want to say United Dairy, and then this one says Valley Farms Dairy. So yeah, I'm excited, I'm happy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Melly, you want to look it up? You want to see our stuff? I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah. And then I'm gonna do Mel's nails. All right, it's 11 o'clock, so I don't know if we're gonna do them nails tonight or not. I want to, but no, but I might have to do them tomorrow. But I'm gonna show y'all what this stuff look like because it's so cute. Okay, y'all ready? Let me put this junk up here. Messing with Mel. I ain't got time. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all. So Mel's little socks. It say Mel on one side and then it say 3 on the other side. So cute, little itty bitty socks. So these are both of them. He should have did, oh wait. Okay, whatever. And then this is Mel's little shirt. Wait, girl, this Mel's little shirt. See, it say Melrose is 3. Ooh, that's cute. And then these are little shorts. Wait, turn it this way. Turn it this way. Go ahead.
This is mine, and black shorts.
These are white shorts, girl.
White shorts and pants.
It's a birthday girl on the butt. Y'all, it's so cute.
Look at my outfit.
And then, okay. And then this is my shirt. It's a Jazzy EST 1992, baby. Lord have mercy. But y'all, I'm gonna show you. So this is his card or whatever. I will put his information down below. If you are in Maryland and you are around Arundel Mills, you should definitely go check him out because he does a very good job. And I was like, I drove like an hour, literally an hour and what was it, 20 minutes or something like that to get to get there. I was going to be pissed if he was not there. So I'm happy, y'all. I'm so excited. So all we gotta do now is Mel's little nails, and that's it. So I will see y'all when we do Mel's nails. Period. Bye, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm about to do Mel's little nails. And she wanted this color. It's like a pink sparkle. And then I'm gonna use this clear coat. I'm gonna do her little toes. Sit your butt down. I'm gonna do her little toes and her little nails. I like putting that. Let me see your nails. Little nails. Alright.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me.
So Mel just sat here wasting my time. She kept telling me all week that she wanted her nails done, but then I guess because Zara and her father here, she don't want her nails done. So she ain't gonna have her nails done for her birthday party. But I will see y'all in the next vlog. Bye, y'all.